Depression versus laziness, what is the difference? People often say you are just being lazy, but depression is not laziness. Laziness is choosing not to do something. Depression, on the other hand, is wanting to do something but feeling mentally and physically unable to. A lazy person feels comfortable resting. A depressed person, on the other hand, feels guilty, exhausted, and overwhelmed even while doing nothing. Depression drains motivation, energy, focus, and hope. Simple tasks like showering, replying to messages, or getting out of bed can feel impossible. So, if someone is struggling, they don't need to be judged. They need understanding, support, and sometimes professional help. So, remember, if someone is fighting depression, they are not lazy, they are fighting an invisible battle.